Most of the time when you're working with navigation, you'll go into some kind of detail screen as your second view. That usually means showing more information about whatever you're displaying on the main screen. In our case, we've got a list of titles, therefore, we'll navigate to a screen that shows more details like the name and description. In this video, we're going to create this detail screen. Then we'll be ready for navigation in the next one. The first step is to create a new file. Hit Command N, SwiftUI View, Next, Title, Detail, View, Create. Make some space after line 10. We want to define a title variable to build our view. Let title: make more space. Our preview needs a title argument. Click on the error, fix. We can put in title.preview titles (0). This takes the first title from our preview titles array, our sample data coming in clutch. I'll also show the canvas to help us build the view. Now we can build how the information will be displayed. Delete the famous hello world. Instead type geometry reader, geometry in. We're going to display the title image for now, but move on to a YouTube video later. Geometry reader allows us to get the size of the screen for this view. Next type scroll view with braces. Some of the titles have pretty long descriptions. In case this happens, scroll view will allow us to scroll down. Moving on, type lazy vstack, alignment and content, leading, tab, press enter for braces. This lazy vstack aligns its elements to the left of the screen and loads them when needed. Now we can declare our async image, select the one with URL, parentheses string, title.poster path, question mark, quotes. We unwrap the title poster path and give an empty string in case it's nil. Add an open brace, image in, press enter a few times. After the closing brace, placeholder, progress view. This adds a nice progress circle as the image loads. Inside the async image braces, we can add modifiers, image.resizable, .scale to fit. Finally, add a .frame modifier after the closing placeholder brace. .frame, width and height, geometry.size, .width, tab, geometry.size, .height, times 0.85. This frame keeps a place for the image as it loads. With the image ready, we can show some text, double parentheses, title.name, question mark, title.title, question mark, parentheses, bold, font, title2, padding, 5. We try both the name and title first. If they are both nil, then we just leave it as an empty string. After, we apply modifiers to make it look better. I would like the title closer to the image, padding, top, comma, -20. Now we just need to display the description, text, title.overview, question mark, quotes, padding, 5. This is a very simple detail screen, but it shows everything in the title struct except for the ID. As we move on, we'll add a download button and the YouTube video in place of the image. Fun fact, to make this screen, we had to use a little bit of everything from the course we've learned so far. Thank you for joining me. See you in the next one.